That is just crazy. I just can't believe I've been doing it wrong all these years. Hey, welcome back to another video. This is going to be an interesting one. So thanks to a comment on my last video, Hoboy55 pointed out that I might be actually installing these filters incorrectly. Turns out he's right. So on every Lexus, on the cabin air filter, there's an arrow pointing up. And it's designed so when you buy a Lexus air filter, you just match the arrows up for up. But anytime you're buying a aftermarket filter, you have to arrange the filter so that the air flows down. But every single video that I've done on this for years, ever since my 2010, the arrow actually is not correct. So you disregard the arrow and you follow the airflow indicator on the air filter. Completely counterintuitive. I never even thought that that could be a possibility, but it is true that in fact air flows downward. And therefore, when you install the cabin air filter, you need to put it with the airflow flowing downward or arrow pointing down if the words airflow are on the filter. And if you put a OEM filter, you match the up arrow on the filter to the up arrow on the cover, and you're good. Okay, so we'll take this cover off, and you can see an up arrow here. And sure enough, we have the up arrow with the airflow pointing up, which is backwards. What I don't want to do is just turn this upside down, because you can see there's already debris in here, and all that's just going to go into the air duct system. So I went ahead and bought another one. The airflow should go down, and I had it like this. Golly, I didn't realize it was that dirty. Wow. Like, this is the same exact one I bought, but I think I might have to replace this every 6 months. I was doing it every year. So we're gonna put this in properly now, even though it has an up arrow. Thanks again for the comment. I respond to all the comments on all my videos and appreciate the encouragement and the criticism sometimes. I'll keep making videos, and hopefully this was helpful. We'll talk to you next time.